to the GGIS family. I hope you are safe and sound at home. Today we, the students of Grade 3 Asgard, are going to perform the virtual morning assembly. Let's start it with a morning prayer.
Thank you, God, for your word. There is so much to discover, so much to know, so much to see, and so much to do. Your word is so excited. Thank you, God, for making a part of its aim.
The topic of our assembly is the 7 habits of happy kids to fight against COVID-19. I would like to give you a brief introduction to the 7 habits of happy kids. This is written by Sean Covey, and it will teach us the power of living according to principles such as responsibility, planning ahead, respect for others, teamwork and balance. Principles are like gravity. They are timeless, universal and self-evident, and they are needed today more than ever.
What are habits? Habits are actions we do repeatedly, and most of the time we are unaware that we have them. They are on autopilot. Some habits are good and some habits are bad. Covey's 7 habits help us to get control of our lives, improve our relations with our friends, family, and the community. Also help us to make smarter decisions. Now my friends will talk about the 7 habits one by one.
The first habit is being proactive. I am in charge. It means taking charge or taking responsibility for our own life. We can't keep blaming others around us. Proactive people use proactive language like I will, I can, I prefer.
The coronavirus is declared as a pandemic by the World Health Organization. It's not in our circle of control. Hence, the only way we can get back to normal is by being proactive. In this situation, we can practice habit 1 by staying at home and maintaining social distancing. Follow hygiene by washing and sanitizing our hands regularly. Being mindful about coughing in public and shaking hands.
You can avoid being reactive by discouraging excessive media exposure. Remember always, we are driver of our life and do not passengers. So be proactive and don't be panicked.
The second habit is to begin with the end in mind. Have a plan. It means to define your missions and goals in life. In this downtime, work on planning ahead and set your goals. Identify your weaknesses to strengthen them.
Plan your day in a fruitful manner by doing the things you couldn't do previously due to lack of time. Do something meaningful and make a difference.
Habit to say, since you are the driver of your life, decide where you want to go, so draw a map and get there.
Habit 3. Put first things first means organize, prioritize and execute your plan by making it a to-do list. In this crisis, everyone was busy in the current condition. and firefighting actions. But at the end of the day, we realized that there are lots of tasks.
Instead of doing the tasks which are not important, we all should use this time to focus on conversation with our loved ones. Schedule time to play and study. Schedule time to make and eat healthy meals. Time to sleep, so work fast, then play.
Habit 4. Think means moving from private victories to public victories. During this pandemic, our common goal is to fight against it. Well, one same outcome in this situation is to get rid of COVID.
We all can achieve think win-win by maintaining social distance, follow the lockdown rules in the country, respect and show gratitude to our front line. Corona warriors like the police force, doctors and cleaners. To achieve habit 4, think win-win, we have to be courageous. Together everyone can win.
Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. This says listen to people sincerely before giving advice to anyone. Be a good listener. First understand and then speak.
Few points that we can consider to practice habit 5 are: do not respond to the problem and create panic. Do not believe in any rumors and panic shopping. Allow your mind to understand the decisions made by the government to keep us safe from COVID. Listen before you talk.
Habit 6 means synergize. It means work together to achieve more. This habit deals with the work, teamwork, opening yourself up to work with other people in this downtime. Synergize by helping your mom and dad. Synergize watering plants, refilling bottles and arranging your bed.
Synergize with your classmates and teachers to understand better in online classes. So, the habit 6 says, working together as a team, we can get more work done and come up with better solutions that we could do alone.
Habit 7 is sharpen the saw, means learn yourself regularly, having a balance between mind, heart, body and soul. Follow these golden rules. Eat healthy food, exercise, take rest to be physically fit. Make social meaningful connections with others by talking to friends, family or long lost cousins.
Boost your mental health by reading, writing, and learning something new. Grow spiritually by spending time in nature, listening to music, or meditating. Balance feels best. I request each one of us to join hands in our common and a noble quest to help everyone discover the leader in me.
This is 7 habit 3, where the first 3 habits are: be proactive, be given the end in mind, and put first thing first. And start with you moving to next three, play well with others. Habit, we follow here our habit 4. Habit 4, think win-win. Habit 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Habit 6, synergize. And remember to take care of yourself by practicing the 7 habits upon the saw.
Let's take an oath to stay positive. मिलकर कोरोना को हराना है, घर के बाहर नहीं जाना है, किसी से हाथ नहीं मिलाना पे हाथ नहीं लगाना, बार बार हाथ धोने जाना, सैनिटाइज करके देश को स्वच्छ बनाना है, इलाज ही बचाव है ये सबको बताना है, कोरोना से हमको नहीं डरना है, सावधान होके हमको कोरोना को मिटाना है, देश में ये कदम सबको उठाना है। थैंक यू।
सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान।